Today we are doing the MC Blue Editing book for 2E, practice 28, page 28. Please make sure that you have attended the questions before watching this video. 2 lines are correct, find 8 errors. Okay, I'll put a tick to indicate that the first 2 lines are correct. Okay, next I want to identify what is the dominant tense. Reading the first line, political corruption occurs when the leader for a country abuses his power for personal gain. So I noticed that the verb is occurs. That's in simple present tense. Scanning the passage, I noticed that the dominant tense is in present tense. So I'll write that down. Present tense. Okay, let's continue. Till today, this practice continues. Okay, I noticed that we're talking about today, an event that is still happening. So continues is correct. To plague. Okay, plague is correct because it is base form after to our world. The form it takes can vary. Okay, takes seems correct. Can vary after that. It's a model can also based on. So there were government officials who extort money from their people. So extort means obtain forcefully, while other leaders siphon money. So siphon means draw out. Okay, we were talking about things that were happening today, and I spotted that there is past tense here, were. So that should be the error. Okay. So present tense should be for were should be are. Okay, so that should be present tense because it's describing something. Let's continue. Government officials who extort, that's correct. Other leaders siphon, correct. At National Bank, there is another form of corruption that is less obvious. It happens. Seems correct. This line seems correct. So let me just move on, okay? It happens. Why? We're talking about something that is happening. Okay. So is it why happens when? Okay. When. So when is used to describe a relative clause which corruption takes place. So this is an relative adverb. Okay. Okay, happens when leaders hand over their positions of power to their children, relatives, or people they know. Okay, it is extremely difficult to overthrow a corrupted government. Many a times, these corrupt. Okay, I notice there is a here. Then the noun that follow should be one time. Okay, so should be one time. Okay, should be singular. Okay, these corrupt leaders are supported by the police. Okay, in most cases, the absence of a democracy system. Okay, I spotted that this is trying to describe the system. So when trying to describe a system, you should use an adjective. So this word democracy is a noun. So an adjective for democracy should be democratic. Democratic. So that is an adjective. Continue. okay, is the main reason why citizens are helpless in the face of political corruption. It is therefore a responsibility of international organization. Okay, this is wrong because we are referring to the specific responsibility of international organizations. So when it's a specific form of responsibility, it should be the. Alright, so actually it's specified already. The responsible. Alright. So when it's the, you should use a specified article. Like the United Nations to ensure that the needs of people are met. Wait. I noticed an error here. After to, okay, it should be base form. Okay, so let me write that down. Ensure base form. Continue. Are met, correct. And that human rights are upheld. Very often, such rights are violated. Violated means infringed or contravened. This past participle form is correct. Due to corrupt leaders. Many people living in countries face extremely poverty. Hey, why is this in adverb? This is wrong. Okay, we're trying to describe poverty. So since we're trying to describe poverty, it should be an adjective. So when it's an adjective, it should be extreme. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Because their leaders care more about their own gains than the lives of people in their country. So I've noticed that I have 3 blanks here, and I have 2 lines that are correct. I have read this line 9, and I put a couple of ticks. So I think this line should be correct. Okay. Next, let me see line number 2 to 3. Okay, which there must be something that I missed out. So read aloud so that you can hear the mistake. While other leaders siphon money at national banks. Okay, I noticed that this is at, so they get the money, they draw out the money from a bank. You draw the money from a bank. So this should be from. Okay, from a bank. Okay, because it shows that the money was at the national banks before being removed by the corrupt leaders. So this is a preposition error. Okay, oops. Preposition error. Preposition error. From. Okay, that tells me that this line is correct. Okay. I'm so glad that in my country corruption is low. Okay. Are you happy living in your country? Are you happy with your political leaders?